Hello again and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video I'm not even going to call a one-handed woodworking tips video because I actually think it's appropriate and relevant to anyone in the trade or enjoys woodworking as a hobby and has to carry some form of sheet material in 8-foot by 4-foot form. I had to do a little bit of research because obviously I'm going to be struggling a little bit on my own and I wanted to find something safe to use, and I came across this, which I will leave a link in the description. Now prices have crept up recently as everything that is manufactured in China, but I purchased this for around about £12 and is currently retailing for about 18 or 19 pounds. And it's dead straightforward, as this little video will show. You don't need to be dragging sheet material across the floor anymore because it's just a little bit awkward to lift. You simply walk up to it and somewhere in and around the middle, secure it to, and as you lift the lever up, it applies pressure to the sheet goods and off you go. And as we see here, I'm just doing a few little laps around the garden and I'm going to bring myself back round and drop it off. Now, to say this simple little device for myself was revolutionary, I'm going to say is a little bit again of an understatement. It allowed me to carry in excess of 25 11mm OSB boards safely and securely without putting any additional stress on my back, just using my good side. Also, when I had the 18mm plywood delivered, I was able to give the guy a hand just by him carrying it at the back and me carrying it at the front with my clamping device. So I hope you enjoyed this little short video, guys. It really is a great piece of kit, particularly if you're on your own and you're not able to get assistance in carrying some kind of sheet material. It's good for ply, OSB, plasterboard, MDF, anything you can think of, and it will do any thickness as well. And just to clarify at the very end, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for this product with my own money. I'm just that impressed with it. I thought I would share it with you guys, just so in the future you may want to consider purchasing one yourself. Okay, as ever, take care everyone, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Thanks very much.